How to restore Snapchat streaks without paying easy. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to restore Snapchat streaks without paying easy. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. To do that, let's head over to our profile icon right here. And from in there, let's click on this gear icon, which is the settings. So click on that and then scroll all the way down until we can see this I've lost my snap streak. So just click on this, and then how do I restore my snap streak? So as you can see, we have this thing right here, but it doesn't help us at all. So what we need to do is to just scroll down, click on this I need help, and then this will open the support center, and then let's click the lost my snap streak here. And then from in there, just scroll down and then choose this I lost my snap streak, how to restore it. Then scroll all the way down, and then from in there you can just click on this X right here. Then click on this article didn't answer my question, click on submit. Then after that you should be able to see a new option right here. But if you don't see that, what you can do is just click on these three lines, click on contact us right here, and from in there it will load like this. So what you need to do is just click on this I lost my snap streak, and then from in there how to restore my snap streak. Then scroll down again, and what you can do is just click on this right here and already tap it, and then let's wait for it to load, and then that should be able to fix your problem. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped to restore Snapchat streaks without paying. If you have questions or comments, can you put in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.